In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Visual Planner. If you've ever wondered how to shape a cohesive look for your social feed before anything goes live, this is the place to do it. Think of the Visual Planner as your creative sandbox. You can experiment with placement, colors, and variety until the overall layout feels just right. First, log into Later and head to Calendar, then open the Visual Planner. When you arrive, you'll typically see your calendar view on one side and your media library nearby. That's your working canvas and your toolbox in one place. The calendar shows the days and times you can plan for, while the library holds the images and videos you're going to use. If your content is already in your library, you're ready to start shaping your feed without any extra prep. Next, take any image or video from your media library and drag it onto the calendar. Drop it on the date and time you want it to appear, and you'll see it land as a planned post. This simple drag and drop motion is the foundation of the Visual Planner. As you place your content, think like a curator. Alternate colors and subjects, break up similar backgrounds, and keep an eye on how the mood shifts from one post to the next. Even small choices, like spacing out close-up shots or pairing bright visuals with calmer ones, can make your feed feel intentional and polished. Keep your media high quality and consistent in style so the overall grid feels unified rather than chaotic. Finally, rearrange your posts to preview your feed layout. This is where the magic happens. Click and drag posts to new times or different days, and watch the preview update to reflect your changes. Use this moment to check the flow. Do your colors balance from left to right and top to bottom? Are similar images bunched together, or do they tell a story as you move through the grid? If something feels off, slide it to another spot until the composition clicks. If a piece doesn't fit today's vision, simply move it off the calendar and revisit it later. Remember, this process is flexible and forgiving. Nothing is final while you're planning. And that's it. Log in and open the Visual Planner, drag media from your library onto the calendar, then rearrange until your feed looks and feels exactly how you want. With a few thoughtful tweaks, you'll create a layout that's consistent, eye-catching, and ready to turn heads the moment it goes live.